Hello everyone. Hi, I have the June limited edition kit. I want to show you all the awesome product that comes this month in this kit. Let me start with the paper. Look at this paper, it's so pretty. It is from the Havana collection by Prima Marketing. I just love this paper. Look, all these images with the foil effect. You can cut them and use it as embellishment. It's so pretty. And the back of the paper has this wood grain design. Next, you get this pretty paper. Look, the birds with the foil, and the back has this vintage look. And you receive two of these design. Really nice, this paper. Next, look this one. I love this paper with the tiny pink flowers and the foil handwritten, and the back has this design. Oh, it is awesome. Look this paper, love it. Love the letters with the foil, and the back has these birds. I love the other side, this one. Next, you receive this pink paper, so pretty, and you have two, one with foil and one without foil. And on the back you have like cars and this vintage design. This is so pretty, this paper. Okay, next you receive this one in pink with the flowers, and on the back is green with the whitish effect. Love the green side. Both are pretty, both are really pretty. Well, these are the papers for this month in the kit from the Havana collection. Let me show you now the rest of the products. This kit has a lot of fabulous product. Let me start with this. You receive a package of chipboard. This chipboard is from the Havana collection and is 27 pieces. Really nice. Then you get a package of ephemera from the Havana collection. These are die cuts. Let me see if you can see here. It's a little hard, but you receive 47 pieces, 47 die cuts. Then from Creative Embellishment, you receive a package of chipboard. It is so pretty. You receive 6 frames in this package. Let me show you now the flowers. I always let the flowers to the end, but now I'm going to show you the flowers now. The first package is these 8 flowers in medium size. Then you receive other package with smaller, and this one has a butterfly. Really pretty, the flowers. You also receive a dozen of roses. Oh, so pretty, very nice. Then you receive also ABC. This is a foamy letters from American Craft. And let me show you this. I am in love with this package. It is from Vicky Boutin, and in this package you receive 3 stencil, and you know that I am a fan of stencil. Look, the first one, the second with the butterfly, and the third has the flowers. Oh, I can't wait to use them. Love it. I never is enough to have more stencil. I just love stencils. Okay, and well, this is the June limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. I will let you in the description box down below the link to get this kit. I come back soon with my first video tutorial using this kit, so don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell button. I see you soon. Bye.